Hi, my name is Mohammed. This is day 3 after doing the procedure with Long Hair Center. Came from New York all the way to Istanbul to get this procedure done, and I can pretty much tell you that this has been a great decision for me. The team here at Long Hair Istanbul is actually taking care of everything, from when I initiated contact with Bakar, who's been great and helpful the entire way, all the way till getting here. They, booked a hotel for me. They took care of the travel, picked me up from the airport, took me to the procedure room. The doctor himself has been very explanatory about the procedure and how it works. And the team, the nurses, they've all been great, including, of course, Behran and his team taking me back and forth from the hotel. So what I really have to say about this entire process is it's definitely worth it, especially when you have a very strong team like Long Hair Istanbul, who's very transparent, very supportive, and just makes sure that you're good throughout the entire procedure.